Boom! What's up, Internet? Josh might. Hold on. Hold on. What's that? Something's here. Let's go see. Okay, I'm about ready to give this a try. I haven't turned it on yet, so we're gonna do that first, and then I need to pair it with the app. So okay, so verdict is 1 day in. This is harder than I expected it. See you next time.